Exhaust leak symptoms. Your exhaust system is in charge of lessening the emissions your automobile creates by lowering the danger these hazardous gases pose before they leave your car and are released into the environment. For your car to run safely, the exhaust system must function properly. What are the most common exhaust leak symptoms? Less efficient fuel use. An exhaust leak can be at blame if you find yourself stopping at the gas station more frequently. Your vehicle's air-to-fuel ratio balance may be thrown off if it has an exhaust leak. Inefficient engine operation can result from improper air-to-fuel ratio, which lowers the engine's overall efficiency. Gas odor. Gas odors inside your car may indicate an exhaust leak. A broken exhaust pipe may allow gas fumes to enter the car's passenger compartment. Noisy engine. An exhaust leak is frequently indicated by an increase in engine noise. When accelerating, especially, keep an eye out for a loud rumbling. Additionally, while the engine is operating, you might occasionally hear popping or hissing sounds. Reduced power and acceleration. Your engine's performance may be impacted by an exhaust leak. When you press the gas pedal, your car might not accelerate as quickly as it usually does. If the exhaust leak isn't corrected, your car will keep losing power. Can you drive with an exhaust leak? It is not advisable to drive when there is an exhaust leak because it could be dangerous for both you and your car. Numerous problems, including as decreased fuel efficiency, engine damage, and possibly carbon monoxide poisoning, can result from an exhaust leak. The exhaust system in your car maintains the interior of the car clean and quiet and keeps exhaust fumes outside. The technology also aids in maintaining the engine's optimal operation, lowering pollutants, and giving you maximum fuel efficiency. Given that the exhaust fumes contain carbon monoxide, driving with an exhaust leak may be hazardous. If the video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.